And then, yeah, actually for today, I was thinking we could ask, I know she doesn't speak Japanese. I already spoiled it. It's okay. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Oh, hi! Immer Gold Bot. Glimmer Bot. Immer Gold. Immer Gold. Do you speak Japanese? Can you help me with my Japanese?
Sorry, no. I don't speak any other languages. It's a factoid. I'm sorry. I can't.
I can't. Okay, well, thanks for nothing. Goodbye. Goodbye, I said. Okay, she's gone. Wow, good bits, Cecilia McGreen. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Appreciate it. Yeah, it was pretty good. That was pretty... She sounded so exasperated. This is what she sounded like.